In this video, I am going to show you how to disable notifications on Telegram. To manage or completely turn off Telegram notifications on your device, you can follow these steps to a more peaceful experience without losing touch with your contacts. 1. Launch the Telegram app on your device. 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu, then select Settings. 3. Go to Notifications and Sounds. 4. Under Notifications for Chats, you have the option to disable notifications for private chats, group chats, or both. Simply toggle off the option you prefer. If you don't want to completely turn off notifications but would rather customize them, you can customize them through Message Preview, Vibrate, Pop-up Notifications, Sound, or Importance. To add an exception on just one group or chat, go to Settings, Notifications, and tap on Add an Exception. Choose the contact and customize their notification settings. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.